Ah, finally, another day in another world. And finally, we can now wash our car once again. So if you're new here, we're gonna introduce our friends. So let's wait for one of them. Okay, this is Green. He's lazy, but this is not the real Green. This is just the, I guess you could call it fake green, I guess. But that's also fake purple. Okay, this is Green. He's lazy. He's already messed up, and he has a and did you know that these characters can fly? So this Green, he can fly really fast. Oh no, it's not. Okay, this is the cable car. Don't you continue, okay? And the next one is Yellow. Yellow has fallen in love with Pao, and is already married. If you see in the last video, actually we're gonna be marrying once again because the last one was a fake marriage. Because I said that how we marry is kiss lips. No, that's how Christian marries. They never even do the real marry. I'm from Malaysia. We need to marry the Malay way. So let's go to the wedding booth. First we need to go rent the cable car. We need to wait for the rest of our friends first. This is Fred. He is sad because someone killed his girlfriend 8 years ago. And then next is Banana. Banana kill it. Banana. He can fly like always. Okay. I forgot to introduce myself. Okay, my name is Fufu, and this is the fake purple. This is the same, but then just looking a little different. Like you. Okay, next of all, we got a brand new member. His name is Mr. Aeroplane, and then another brand new member, which is named Mr. McDonald's Happy Meal. But there's actually someone inside, which is the real one. His name is Mr. Kitty Happy Meal. Oh my god, okay. He is adorable. He can scare the crap out of people, so yeah. Okay, next of all, we got Catmon. Okay, his name is not Doraemon, okay? If you see him, if you're watching this, don't call him Doraemon, okay? Call him Catmon, because he was born, and when he was small, his name is Kittymon, so yeah. And now he grew into adult cat, so that's why his name is Catmon. And next of all, we got Cyan, and he's our child. And then we got, I guess you can call it Purple Leg. He's kind of a fake member. Next of all is fake Banana. Let's just throw them on the floor. He's actually not only a member, it's just Purple's legs. So let's just throw it into the disposal. And we also got our ticket. This is how we're going to be scanning our tickets to go to the cable car. Okay, let's do it. Beep. Okay, let's go. Let's go for the cable car. Okay, guys, all good. Oh, we forgot to introduce you. We also got a new member, which is named Mr. Oil Tank. Yeah, Mr. Oil Tank. Okay, next. Okay, we got some magnets and coins as well. So let's just hop in. And a Resorts World thing, like coffee pad. It's just a Resorts World, okay? It's just the RW Resorts World, okay? Let's just get in there. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay, we're going on the cable car. Okay, guys, hop out. Just guys get surprised. Name is Banana. Okay, let's get. Oh, okay. It's time to go to the car wash. No, I forgot we're going to a wedding. Okay. This is the wedding. Let's go in the wedding. Just grab a whole entire trunk. No. And put it in this. Oh, they all fell. We gotta put everything. Is there a magnet? Hold up, magnet. I want you, magnet. Can magnet go in here soon? I will do it. I will do it. Oh, the magnet is huge. Oh my god, what are you gonna do? The magnet is now in. Oh, I'm choking on the magnet. Okay, let's get it out. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? It's right there, it's right there. Let's get it out, get it out, get it out. Oh no! Oh, it's one of the bushes. Ah. Okay, I guess this will be stuck in fusion forever. Okay, let's get the one side. Oh, wait. I forgot to introduce you someone else. It's just one more, guys. I promise. One more. I forgot to introduce you. His name is Pac-Man Squish. Let's grab Pac-Man Squish right here. Let's grab a Pac-Man Squishy. Let's just go to the wedding now. Okay. Let's eat. Wow, just having some fried chicken is just so racking. Like having fried chicken in a wedding is just weird, but okay. I just got some fried chicken. Can't wait to eat them. Nom nom nom. I'll get some ice cream. I'm getting some ice cream. I am son, the child, and in this wedding, I'm probably going to be having some waffles. Waffles. Okay, his name is Mr. Magnet. Okay, what do you want, Mr. Magnet? Hello, I'm Mr. Magnet, and I want to go get some magnet juice. In here is magnet juice. This is a stall. This stall sells magnet juice. This is. Okay, I got my magnet juice. Can't wait to slurp it. Ah! Hey! Ah! Okay. Next of all is yellow. Ah! I can't wait to marry purple once again because the last video was a fake one. Please. Oh. Just go get some ice cream because I already had breakfast in a cable car. Oh, banana! I'm gonna go get some chicken rice. So this stall sells the chicken, and then the next one sells all the rice. Hold on. Okay, now I can go eat. If you watched my last video, you saw that we have a cat. It's just there's a cat. Right, there's a cat. That's the cat. That cat, we already found the name of him. The cat's name is Felix. So I'll be making a brand new channel, which is called Felix. So that's why I just put something on there. Yeah, it's sponsored by Felix. See for yourself. Okay, anyways, back to the video. Okay, it's now time to go. Oh, I'm super tired. I don't want any food. I'm just gonna go fly into my bed. It's not a bed. It's not home. It's not a house. This is a little wedding. And now I'm getting some spicy fried fish. Just fried fish. No rice. I just like it spicy. Because I'm red. Oh, Mr. Aeroplane, you may recognize me. I am from home. Okay, so I'm gonna go use this magnet. I'm gonna use this magnet detector to. Oh no! I'm gonna be using this magnet. I'm gonna be using this magnet detector to detect. I'm gonna be using this magnet detector to find some magnet things to eat. Okay, let's see. Oh, where stick? Please stop! I got some magnet food time to eat. So you know that I'm in the McDonald's Happy Meal box, but if that meaning that every time when I want to eat, I always eat McDonald's. McDonald's is my little home, but now I just live here instead. So meaning that I'm gonna go get some chicken nuggets, get some fried chicken, get some mayo, get some chicken burgers, and I'm gonna get everything that has in McDonald's. So let's do it. Great, what is that? Sure, it's nothing. Okay. No! Oh, I'm gonna dig into my food. Oh, I got my food. Okay, that's pretty much it. Oh no, fruit. Okay. Oh, can I actually take it out? Can I actually? It's working. Is it? I think it's working. Let's see it there. Huh? Yeah. I use a magnet to get a magnet out. That's true. Wait, can you? Magnets can stick, right? Can this stick to the magnet? Come on, just stick. Oh, he's running the bushes. I need to find the magnet detector to find the magnet. Come on, okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it manually. Just get out of here from such a dumb. Why did I put it in there? Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna go get some mushrooms. How about when I... Okay, I'm gonna go get some mushroom soup before the wedding starts, so yeah. Okay, let's eat. A few minutes later. Time for us to marry. This is gonna be exciting! Okay, well, first, before they go up on the wedding chair, they need to read Doa first. And this is the wedding chair. Okay, it's time. Okay, so before we go up so usually how they marry, Malaysians marry, they first they just need to stand here and then they need to read Doa, and then when the Doa ends, they just go up here, and then that's pretty much it. No, salam, and then they salam. So yeah. So everyone read Doa. I actually don't know how to read it, so yeah, just do this. Okay, we're done. Okay, it's time to go up on the chair. Okay, this is they're gonna marry. No, they salam. Yeah, handshakes like salam. No, it's salam. That's how they salam. Okay. Oh, they salam. Oh, okay. Okay, time for them to go back down. Oh, I wish. Oh, thank God they didn't kiss it. But What, you want me to be Christian? Okay, I want to read my lesson. Let's go ride the cable car. Let's go to the car wash. Oh no, we're gonna get tickets first before we go to the cable car. Beep. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go ride the cable car. Grab it inside it so we can put it in the cable car. Oh god. The bed is fell. Oh no, somebody fell. Put the rest in there. Why? Science. Banana's gonna go get the ones that who fell. Wait. Why you little? Oh, Mr. Wooten. Okay, banana. Guess what? Okay, Banana's gonna get the rest. Banana's gonna go get the rest. The ones that who fell is Pac-Man, Squish, and Caitlin. His name is Caitlin, I think. Yeah, call him Caitlin. His critics' name is Catmon. Okay, let's continue. Let's go to the game car. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay, guys, about. Oh, yo, fellow. Okay, I forgot. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I know I never say this in my videos, but I know. But my channel's just getting updating every time when I make a video. So yeah, now you can see. Peace. So yeah, just please subscribe to my channel and just we're going to hit like. And we want to hit like 600,000. No, and we want to hit 600 subscribers, I think. So yeah, just like the video and subscribe now, or you die. Okay. Anyways, it's time to go wash our car into the car wash. The car wash is called the full wash. So yeah, it's a full car wash. Okay, so this is our vehicle. We're gonna go in the vehicle. This is our car. We're gonna go in our car now. Now it's time to move everything and put them all in there. We're gonna go. Yeah, you may recognize that name, the full wash. Yeah, I'm talking about my art and craft work car wash. I've been working on this for just 1 month. But it's finally finished. It is. Oh, somebody just moved the camera. Yes, introducing the full wash. Yeah, I need to put my camera all the way at the back. Okay, hold up. Okay, there it is. Now we can see the entire full car wash. Oh my god, this is awesome. Okay, so let's drive. Ignore this cable car here. So let's drive our Milo car. Our Milo truck through the car wash. So you can see that this is a toll gate. This is a toll gate. Okay, it's gonna go through the toll gate. Okay, it's gonna go through the toll gate. Okay, pay ticket. Okay, the line. Okay, the toll gate opens. Okay, so it goes through the car wash. Okay, it's time to rinse now. Okay, and there's also more details. This is the sign which are the rules. So wipers off, car in neutral, and bum, and don't drive. Okay, and in my last video I was introducing it. I need to memorize the rules. Okay, wipers off, car in neutral, bum, and don't drive. Okay, memorize it now. Then you can memorize it after this video. Okay. So let's go. Bring up the champion to you. Okay, it's time Okay, it's time to go through now. These are the brushes, okay? Let's just give you a look here. Okay. It's going through now. This is so exciting. Oh, it's one of the brushes. There's no top brush, but it's okay. You can do something like this. You can't wash the top. This is the only top brush. Okay. Oh, they're brushing the car. They're taking out cars. It's a Milo truck, you know. Oh. Okay, you know what? You can also make a top brush doing something like this. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Our top brush. Then wash that. Oh no. It's too late now. Get back into the car wash. You gotta blow dry now. Okay, it's done. It's time for it to go out of the car wash now. Let's do that again. So, let's do that again. So, we gotta put it back. Open the tailgate. Give you a look at the front. No, this time let's give you a look here. So I just gotta put you right there to close your gate up. And let's go. Oh, this is so exciting. It's not exciting. We already went through this car wash. We just want to just want to make it real clean. And how you need to make it real clean, you need to wash it 2 times. That's what we're doing right now. So yeah. So let's just kind of brush again, I guess. I don't brush you again. Hey, why are you brushing the top? I didn't know. I just said it. Okay, anyways, this is brush it like if this is a real auto car wash. Cause okay, get out of there. Brush. Oh no! Get back in the car. We gotta blow dry. Okay, it's time to blow dry now. Okay, it's done. Time to go out now. Whoa! Oh, it fell. Oh, it landed. Oh my god. It fell. And so that's it for this car wash. So it's time for us to go back home to the hotel. So we're already in the cable car, so let's go. Oh no, yellow fell off. Okay. Yellow in there. Okay, let's go. Okay, don't fall off this time, yellow. Okay, we're going in the cable car. Okay, guys, hop out. Whoa. Okay, let's go to the hotel. The next day. And that's pretty much it for the video. So that's pretty much it for the video. So, like always. So this is by Niall. If you want to watch more of these type of videos, like that, like the video. And also make sure to subscribe to the Crystalline Gamers. Do you know who wants to subscribe to Crystalline Gamers? It's Bum Bum